Open the box. Inside are the clamps for mounting on the pipeline. Also included is the magnetic block to be installed on the pig, plus the batteries and the pig indicator itself. Open the protective cover. Install the battery in the battery compartment. It uses AAA batteries. A total of 4 batteries are required. Turn on the switch. Finally, install the rear cover. The instrument is now in normal power on state. First, install the instrument on the pipe. Take the clamp out of the box and mount it on the pipe. Then use a flathead screwdriver to tighten and secure it. 2 clamps are required in total on the pipe. Secure the instrument to the pipeline. Tighten and fasten the clamp. The instrument installation is now complete. Install the magnetic block on the pig. Open the quick opening blind, and place the pig into the launcher. Reset the value to 0 before use. Driven by pressure, the pig moves forward. When the pig passes the instrument, it displays 01. The screen then shows the time of the pig's passage, accurate to the minute.